Hello class. Today you are on page number 32. Page number 32. And we have discussed about stem, flowers, flowering and non-flowering plants and leaves. And today we are on fruits. So my dear students, read your lesson daily and your habit will improve of reading. Your reading habit will improve if you will read lesson own self and find out difficult spellings, write difficult spellings and find out meaning of difficult spellings. So your dictionary will also improve and your habit of reading also improve. So you will read lesson daily and today you are on page number 33, lesson number 3. So first of all, fruit. So what are fruits? You have seen fruits are of different shapes and sizes and colors also. So here different fruits are given and daily you see fruits. You know fruits are of different colors, different sizes and different colors. So fruits bear seeds. So from where you can see seeds in fruits, which part of the plant contains seed? Fruits. The fruits of some flowering plants such as mango and apple are edible. Edible means you can eat. So which fruits you can eat? So most of the fruits you can eat, they are called edible fruits. But some fruits you can't eat. They are called inedible fruits. So I am explaining this from starting. Fruits are of different shapes, color and sizes. And which plant of the flower contains seed? Fruits. So fruits are of different types as edible or inedible. Edible such as mango and apple, and inedible as soapberry and thorn apple that you cannot eat and they are called inedible. Means you can't eat these type of fruits. And edible that can you eat and inedible that you can't eat. They are called inedible. So have you understood what are edible and what are inedible? Edible means fruits that you can eat and inedible that you can't eat. And the examples are thorn apple and soapberry. Here you can see what is given here. The jackfruit has been determined to be a largest tree fruit. So which is the largest fruit? Jackfruit. The jackfruit can weigh much as 45 kg. So how much the weight of jackfruit? 45 kg. Can you know what we speak in Hindi jackfruit? Kathal. What is kathal? They there have a jackfruits that have grown as a 4 feet in length. So jackfruit is a largest fruit, largest tree fruit also. Now they are the example of apple fruit and soapberry fruit. Apple fruit in Hindi we can say dhatura. Apple fruit, thorn apple fruit, we can say dhatura, and English thorn apple fruit. It is inedible We can't eat thorn apple fruit, and soapberry fruit, it is also inedible. Now you can see parts of a plant. It is very good diagram and you can draw easily this diagram. So what you will do today, you will draw the diagram. So which are the part of the plant? Flower, root, stem, fruit and leaf. So flower allows the plant to bear fruits and seeds. Flower allow the plants to bear fruits and seeds. So which part of the flower allows the plant to bear fruits and seed? Flower. Flower allows a plant to bear fruits and seeds. Roots. What is the function of roots? Roots absorb water and mineral salts, hold the plant firmly in the ground. So function of roots are to hold the plant firmly in the ground and absorb water and minerals salts from the soil. What is the function of fruit? Fruit contains and protects the seed. What is the function of fruit? Fruit contains and protects the seeds. What is the function of leaf? Leaf makes food for the plant. So who makes food for the plant? Leaf makes food for the plants. So plants are living things, you know. They can be similar and different. Classification of plants: shape, size, color of the parts. Flowering and non-flowering plants. Flower allows the plant to bear fruits and seeds. And roots absorb water and mineral salts and hold the plant firmly in the ground. So they are the different parts of the plant. So roots, aerial roots, aeration, stems, creepers, climbers, leaves, flowering, non-flowering and fruits. They are the different parts of the flower. So today I will explain fruits and parts of a flower, and tomorrow I will explain MCQs of this lesson. First MCQ was, which part of a plant help in making food? So leaves help to make food. Which part of a plant help in absorbing water and minerals? Roots help in absorbing water and minerals. Name the part of a plant that bears seeds. Fruit bears seeds. Give two examples of edible and inedible fruits. So edible fruits are mango and banana, apple, and inedible soapberry and thorn apple. Name the tree which has extra roots. Hang in the air, banyan tree. What is a trunk? What does it do? Strong stem. Trunk is a strong stem. And what does it do? It keeps a plant straight upright. So one picture is given here. What types of plant is this? Climber. What kind of stem does it have? Soft stem. Why does a plant go around the stick? It can't straight upright because this plant has thick stem. So it is a climber and it can't straight. Thank you very much, class.